Class KG, let's all pray together and start the assembly with Gayatri Mantra. Om Bhurbhuva Swaha Tassavitурvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuva Swaha Tassavitурvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Dhanyavad.
Everyone, I am Devanshi Verma from Rawal Public School, class 5th B. On the occasion of Mahotsava, I am presenting the thought of the day, and the thought is learn characters from trees, value from roots, and change from leaves. Thank you.
आदरणीय शिक्षिका महोदया एवं मेरे प्यारे मित्रों, शुभ प्रभात। मैं सुप्रिया कक्षा 3rd B की छात्र हूँ। आज मैं आप सभी को एक कविता सुनाने जा रही हूँ। कविता का शीर्षक है पर्यावरण और हमारा जीवन। आओ मिलकर पेड़ लगाएं, पेड़ लगाएं, पेड़ हरा भरा ये देश बनाएं, हरा भरा ये देश बनाएं, हरा भरा ये देश बना। वातावरण को स्वच्छ बनाकर इस जीवन को स्वस्थ बनाएं। आओ मिलकर पेड़ लगाएं, आओ मिलकर पेड़ न कोई कटने पाए, जंगल अब न घटने पाए। पेड़ न कोई कटने पाए, जंगल अब न घटने। मिलकर हम ये कसम निभाएं, आओ मिलकर पेड़ लगाएं। ना करो पर्यावरण का निरादर, ये धरती का अपमान है। हर एक पेड़ पौधा जीव जंतु इस धरती का सम्मान है। धन्यवाद।
अब मेरे सहपाठी आप सबके समक्ष वन महोत्सव के ऊपर अपने विचार प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं। वनों को बचाओ, मुफ्त शुद्ध हवा पाओ।
हर बच्चा बूढ़ा जवान जंगल बचाकर बने महान।
वनों को बचाएं, पृथ्वी को सुंदर बनाएं।
Good morning, respected principal ma'am, teachers and my dear companions. Today we all have gathered here to celebrate One Mahotsava. It is an annual tree planting festival which is celebrated in India every year. It is celebrated in the first week of July, that is from 1st July to 7th July. It was started on 21st August 1950 by Dr. K.M. Munshi, the Union Minister for Agriculture and Food, to spread awareness among the people. One Mahotsava is also known as Festival of Trees and the Festival of Life. Thousands of saplings are planted across the India by the people during this week of the year. Trees are the most precious gift given to the mankind, and it is our duty to save it. But man is destroying it for his own selfish needs and ends. He is cutting down the trees and we are steadily moving towards the path of destruction. Imagine a world where there will be no trees and no forest. I know it's really hard to imagine. For the love of nature, we need to save and preserve it, as mankind is dependent on trees for their needs. This week should be utilized in a creative way. The need of the hour is that all the destruction caused by humans can only be balanced through afforestation. Each one of you present here are requested to plant trees. Gift your friends and families sapling and plant as a token of love. Small initiative by us will help us in making our planet greener and cleaner. In the end, I would like to say, save trees, save a life. Thank you.
morning, dear students. Hope you're all doing great and are keeping yourselves safe and healthy. In today's assembly, we learnt about the significance of trees to commemorate the ongoing Van Mahotsav. Children, the current difficult times of pandemic, they have taught us that it is very important for us to conserve nature, to keep our surroundings clean, to plant more and more trees. We must mark every important occasion by tree plantation. Like it is your birthday, you're celebrating something. So it is very important that you add tree plantation as an important part of your celebrations. So that is very, very important. Albert Einstein also said, look deep into the nature and you will find answer to all your problems. So this is the type of connect we all need to make with nature. Also children, I would like to add that you must have settled now well after the vacation. You must attend all your online classes and all activities with complete conviction and with sincerity. Your teachers are really working hard to make sure that you do not face any academic loss, and they are trying to touch every facet of your personality through the online classes and the activities and the competitions, the webinars, the sessions. But you can gain from them only if you participate wholeheartedly. So once again, I would like to wish you all good luck for this current academic session and lots of blessings to each one of you. I pray for your and your loved ones' health and well-being. Take care, children.